Hello, my name is Zach Ciota, and this is the HVAC Action News. What's up with tweakers and huffers? Longtime puffers, huffers, tweakers, and twitchers of R22 have now realized that R22 is finally leaving the marketplace. They will have to find something new to huff, puff, tweak, twitch, ingest, or what have you. They're turning to replacement refrigerants. They're enjoying a lower cost, but unfortunately they are ending up just as dead. We recently did a survey at supply houses where we asked the people coming in and out of the supply house whether or not they most commonly use hydrofluorocarbons, chlorofluorocarbons, hydrofluoroolefins, big brown elephants, or hydrocarbons. Many of the people were confused, some of them picked their correct answer, and a few actually punched our reporter. And now I'm going to delve into the world of YouTube where I take 5 of my worst comments and read them aloud just so everybody knows what YouTubers go through, and so you can share in some of my personal pain. Comment number 1. Zach, you are such a hack. You would be better off going over the side of a cliff with a parachute made of Swiss cheese. Man, what a noob. This guy doesn't know his head from his butt. If I ever called this guy to my house, it would be to hit him with a 2x4. Thumbs down. I could not make it 10% of the way through this video before I had to turn it off. What a moron. I hope that I find you at AHR so I could punch you in the face for all the stuff you have done to the community. It's weird. You wouldn't last 2 minutes at my job. We are complete professionals. From what I can tell, you don't know what you're doing and you try to make do and trick everybody on the video. If you ever come to my company, you'll be fired immediately. I guess I won't go to that company. And now, before we go on to the main part of the show, a moment with our resident super tech. I'm going to tell a short story here about being a super tech. Just the life of a super tech ain't all it's perceived to be. Let me tell my story. I'm just a super tech. I think about the dew point, but I've never had sex. I live with my mom and my life is a wreck. Just your average super tech. I got a 3-inch vacuum hose. I practice setting it up while my mom cleans my clothes, and I come to dinner late, my dad yells at me, don't you know? 'Cause I'm fiddling with my hose. 'Cause I'm a super tech. When I walk out the door, no one can defeat me. They don't even know they're at war. I read the service facts while my mom's at the grocery store. Yes, I'm a super tech. I'm just a super tech. I think about the dew point and I've never had sex. I live with my mom and my life is a wreck. Just your average super tech. Just your average super tech. So now you know.